Okay, so here we have this is the polynomial we're already dealing with. But how would we go from this factored form to the standard form? Okay, FOIL it, but FOIL is when you multiply a binomial times a binomial. We've got 3 binomials. Ryan, what's that? Okay, so here's what you're going to do, right? You're going to take 2 of those linear factors and FOIL them. Okay, like it doesn't matter which 2. Either take the first 2, take the last 2, take the first and the last. It doesn't matter. FOIL 2 of them, and then multiply what the factor you didn't use times that result. Right? It doesn't matter which 2. I'm going to take these 2. Right? Let's FOIL these 2. Right? That will be x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, which we can combine like terms. That is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, that's the 2. Now we're not done. We still got to multiply that trinomial by the binomial that we didn't already use. How do you think we'll do that? Well, it wouldn't be FOIL, right? FOIL's got 4 letters because it gives you 4 multiplications, but this is going to be 2 terms times 3 terms. That's 6 terms, okay? You don't have to do it the way I'm about to show you, but I'll tell you that more and more students, when they use it, seem to be able to keep it straight. And it was a method that I didn't use. You know, when I was growing up, I was pretty good at this stuff. I didn't need any tricks to do it. But this was a kid. He's actually a kid with this school here and died last year of brain cancer. And he brought this back. A teacher in Germany showed him how to do this. And it seems to work. With most of the kids I share it with, they say, yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So here's what we do. We make ourselves a little table. Right? On one side of the table, I'm going to put the first factor, x plus 1. And I'm just going to say x and 1. If you want to put pluses in there, you could do it. It doesn't make any difference. And on the top of it, I'm going to write the x squared plus 5x plus 6. And then I'm going to fill every square by multiplying what's at the end of the row and the top of the column. So for this square right here, x times x squared, x to the third, x times 5x, 5x squared, x times 6, 1 times x squared, 1 times 5x, 1 times 6. Okay? So there's our 6 terms. When you multiply 2 things times 3 things, you make 6 things, but some of them are like terms. So now we've got to look for the ones that are like terms. In this case, they are here. Those are both x squared. And here, these are both x to the first. So that's it. Here we go. It equals x to the third. How many x squareds do we have? 6x squared. How many x's do we have? 11x. And how many, then what's left is the 6. There you go.